Do you want to learn how to click cool product photos against a plain black background? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's see how. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to show you how you can click images of products against a black background. I made a video a few years ago where I show you how to click products against a plain white background. You can check that video out right here with the link down below. But for today, let's focus on black background product photography. I have my camera on my tripod and I'm gonna use the manual mode. Aperture can be around f8, but if my product is bigger in size, then I can go for f11 or f16, it depends. ISO has to be the least 100. Now I will set my shutter speed such that I get a fully black image. I cancel all ambient light. Now I will place my product.
I am placing the product on black cloth as my background for better effect.
I have my light here and I'm using my Godox TTL flash on a diffuser mounted on a stand. I am controlling the flash using a Godox X1 trigger. I need to place my light in such a way that my light only hits the subject and not the background. For that I can increase the distance between the background and subject, or I can use a grid on my flash to kind of stop the spill of light. Now let's click one shot. Cool. I can fill the shadows by placing a reflector on the other side. You can use a sunboard, or I have made a reflector using some white paper or aluminium foil. Let's click with a DIY reflector. Cool. As you can see, the background is completely black. I don't have any exposure for my background, even though my background is so cluttered. Let me try out various other products too. Now let me take you to Photoshop and show you how I edit my images.
In Photoshop, I go to Camera Raw, and in the Basic tab, I will take shadows to the left and similarly blacks till I get a pure black background. I can also use contrast to make the background blacker and adjust my exposure a bit. That's it.
See how simple that was. You can use the same technique to light up your portraits or macro, whatever. The rules are the same. You just need to cancel all ambient light and expose for the light that you want on your subject and just click. So in case this video was helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want more such product photography tutorials. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product photography tutorial where I show you how to click against a white background. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.